in life, we do not have usually a second chance. Hi, my name is Arvin. I've did an MBA at HEC Paris and I learned a bunch of useful stuff. I looked at my books, I looked at my notes, I looked at everything. But I couldn't find anything apart this stack of papers on communication negotiation. So I was thinking, how do we get better at communicating with others, expressing our thoughts, speaking in public, negotiating, presenting ourselves? Because in life, we do not have usually a second chance. Like when you go to a job interview and just imagine you failed, you can't call back the guys and says, can I have a second interview because the first one was just a mock interview? And you're not going to ask your manager for a second time a pay raise because for the first time you didn't have the right arguments to convince him that you deserve a pay raise. So yeah, in life, we usually don't have a second chance at communicating. The problem is in life, everything is about communication, but nobody told me about communication. So yeah, I was going to shoot some video for YouTube, but what was I going to talk about? Me? We work in groups, we live in groups. No one lives on a desert island alone. Not the best was to shoot videos about what I learned through 20 years of freelance consulting, entrepreneurship, teaching, coaching. I didn't really know how I was going to end that video, but there's something that's been stuck with me for quite a bit of time, and it says that it's usually a people's problem. When you work in a business or with others, it's never a technical issues, financial issues, organizational issues. It's usually a people's problem, and if that's the case, I think that guy can really help you. So talk soon.